How to speed up any internet connection on your Windows. For the very first step, what you'd want to do is go to the Windows icon on the bottom left corner and do a right click. Now you have to select one, then go ahead and type in ncpa.cpl, and you can now just go ahead and click on enter. Once you do that, it's going to open the network connections tab for you, from which you'll be able to see the option of Wi-Fi. Now again, do a right click and head to properties right at the bottom. Moving on, in this tab you'll be able to see Internet Protocol version 4. So you have to now select this and then head to properties right here below. In this tab we'll now be changing our DNS server. For that you have to select use the following DNS server addresses. Then for the preferred DNS server you have to type in 1.1.1.1. Moving on to the alternative DNS server, for this one you have to use 1.0.0.1. This isn't the only DNS server address that you can use. You can also use the Google DNS server, for which you'd have to use 8.8.8.8. And for the alternative DNS server, it would be 8.8.4.4. You can either use this one or the Google one. Once that is done, you have to click on OK. Coming back to Wi-Fi properties again, this time you have to select the option of configure at the top. Here you can see a lot of tabs like general, advanced, driver, but for the next step you have to head to advanced. Once you are on this tab, you'll be able to see a lot of property options. Now look for fat channel intolerant. Once you find it, for the value, make sure that you disable this one. Then moving on, you have to find preferred band. For this one, make sure that you pick 5 GHz band. Once that is done, select roaming aggressiveness right below preferred band. And if you have your router nearby, then make sure that the value is lowest or medium low. Keep in mind that the lower the value for roaming aggressiveness, the faster it'll make your Wi-Fi speed. So if you have your router nearby, then make sure that you choose lowest or medium low. Finally, for the last step, you'll be able to see channel width for 2.4 GHz and channel width for 5 GHz. Make sure that for the both you have the value on auto. Now you just have to click on OK. Then after completing everything that I just showed you, make sure that you restart your device. Once you are back on your desktop, after restarting your PC, go ahead and check the Wi-Fi. So now here you'll be able to see two versions of your Wi-Fi. One is the 2.4 GHz and one will be the 5 GHz. You can try it for yourself and let us know how it worked out for you. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.